Hello everyone, this is King IoT. This video I will show you how to let this H32B relay controller integrate with Node-RED by MQTT. We have used the network cable connected with the relay controller, and this is the power for DC 12 volts. And we have set the controller for MQTT work mode. Now let's look at how this works. You can see this is a very easy demo source code of the Node-RED. Just two nodes. This is for MQTT out, this node, and this MQTT in. So this is a demo like Hello World. I just tell you how to control the relay 1 on and off, so you will understand the principle of the MQTT control way. Before you use the controller for the MQTT, you need to set this website for the relay controller H32B. You have used the network setting. Because we have used the Ethernet, this cable used by MQTT, I suggest you use Ethernet, not to use the Wi-Fi. Ethernet is more stable than Wi-Fi. And you can set the work mode for MQTT. And this is the server IP and the server port. This server means the block, the MQTT block. I have installed on the Windows PC. Maybe you have running the Raspberry Pi for the block Mosquito, and also you install the Node-RED on Raspberry Pi. Because I take the video in my house, so I use the Windows PC. You can see I have installed the Mosquito on the Windows disk C. I just double click this file. I will start like this window. I know anything. I don't understand why no anything displayed, but this is running for the Mosquito for MQTT block. So you just double click, and if you're running Raspberry Pi, you can also enable the Mosquito, and then you can set this IP and the port. This is my computer IP and the port, and this is MQTT block username and the password. Okay, this is the board you have set. Then just you can press the save. The controller will restart. I have already set this information, so you can see we will directly to use the Node-RED. Before we use the Node-RED, we just find out the network and the MQTT out and the MQTT in, these two nodes. The MQTT out is connect MQTT block and publish message. This is for control relay on and off. This MQTT in, that means receive the MQTT information from the specific topic. So this is used for read the input state, read the state of the relay for update icon. So this is for control relay, and this is for relay state, read the relay state. So we can place this node. I just double click, and you can see the server. We can edit. This is server IP. You can input just in my computer IP, and this is the port. This is my computer broker port. And also you can click the security. And this is MQTT username and the password. Just like this setting. Just this MQTT username and the password. And we just click the update. And this is the topic. This topic is for the command for control relay. You can see our website, and this is knowledge and the home assistant. Then you will find the article of the MQTT integrate with the H32B, and you can find the topic. This is the command topic, and this is the state topic. So you can see this topic command is consistent with the relay 32. And this xxx is the ID. This ID you can find in this UID, is this one. And the set is fixed. So you need just only replace this ID for your controller. So we can see in Node-RED, this topic is 32, and this is set. This is not changed. Just fill in this ID by yourself. And if you have a second controller and a third controller and many different controllers, so you just have the replace the different ID that will generate a different topic. So we can press the down, and you can see when I deploy, this is connected. And also I can double click this state. This is the IP and the port and the password. Update and down and deploy. This I have placed the debug message. You can see this is the feedback, because when I connect with the MQTT server, this will update all relay, 32 relay, and the input point. This is 6 input point, and this is 32 relay output. All state will be uploaded, so need to update the state. And this is connected, and this is connected. This node is connected to the Mosquito block, this one. And this controller also have connect with this block. So block is just like a server. This block can install in your computer or install on your cloud server or in anywhere, just according to the IP and the port. So we have connected the 3 terminal. Then we can place the inject, just this node inject. We can test if we turn on relay 1 and turn off relay 1. So we can double click the inject. We just choose the payload and input the content. This is by JSON format. So you can see relay 1 on 0. So if you want to control relay 2, relay 3, just change the number. And the on is 0, that means turn off. If the on is 1, that means turn on. So this button is 0, that means this button, when you pressed, will turn off the relay 1. And also we can double click this node, inject. Also is relay 1, and this on is 1. So this is turn on the relay 1. So we can press these 2 buttons. You can see the relay output on this LED indicate. When I press this button, you can see this is relay 1 is on. And also it will be update the 32 channel, the relay state. And when I press the key, this inject. This payload is relay on 0. That is turn off. So turn on, turn off, turn on, turn off. Because every time we change the relay state, this is by the node read. And maybe you will change the relay state by the wall switch or by wireless remote. So every relay changed will upload the 32 channel and the 6 digital input. This is for sensor. This is 6 digital input state. So you will update on your website or on your application. And this is for our test inject. If you want to make a website, like we can place this button, just use this node. This is for dashboard. We can just drag this button. This is for off, this is for on. We can double click. You can see this label is off, and this payload is relay 1 on 0, just like this one. This is for debug, and this is for end user to use. And also you can see this button is on, so you can see the label is on, and the payload is relay 1 on, and this is 1. And you just choose a group. This you can edit a group. This group you can create by your name, and this you can create. I have already created the name. Is you can use anything. Just you can set the width. The width is 6 pixels on the website. You can choose large or small, according to your actual website. So we can deploy it, and then we can click this dashboard and click this button, open the web browser, and you will see this is a button. This is a group name. You can see this is the name, and the website on and off. The name also you can change it. So we can press this on. As you can see, the button on is pressed, the relay 1 is on, and this is the relay off. I press the off, the relay is off. So you can set the whites. Now we have set the 6, and you can off, on, off, on, off, on, off, on. So this is for the web page. You can use this URL or to visit the web page. If you load port forward function so that you can use anyone in the internet remote country your relay on and off without use the cloud server. So this is a demo for the relay country by MQTT. Thanks for watching.